Ukrainians track Russian troops via looted Apple AirPods across state lines. Whoa. Because why? Because AirPods have a Find My feature?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, this is like the reverse of the AirTag story. Yo, do you think AirTag stalking is going on in Ukraine as well? Like as a military tool?
Well, why not?
Yeah.
You plant it on vehicles or like civilians can plant it on vehicles and then, whoa.
Yeah.
I guess they can do it with the AirPods in the exact same fashion, although those are more expensive than the AirTags. I'd be like recommending the AirTags. After the Russian invasion of Ukraine, there have been numerous reports of looting and some of those same spoils of war, such as Apple's AirPods. Stolen AirPods from places that got looted have reportedly been used to subsequently track the whereabouts of the Russian troops. So that's where the Find My kicks in. These belong to somebody. They got looted. According to Belarusian opposition leader advisor, the same function has been used to track the Russian retreat from the area of Ukraine's capital across the border and back to the safety of neighboring Belarus from where the initial Russian troop advancements towards the capital started. That's pretty cool. So you can, of course, technology continues to play a role in this conflict. And when you're fighting for your life, you're going to use whatever tactics are available to you. Any advantage that you can possibly get, whether it's stolen AirPods or the planting of AirTags. I would imagine, I don't know how Apple feels about it. I'd imagine that they might not be super into it. Doesn't really fit their typical marketing, Mo.
Yeah.
Imagine the Apple AirTags war commercial. Good Lord.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to sell as good.
I wonder if you could actually do it in a way, though. You know how Elon sent all the Starlink equipment?
Yeah.
Imagine Apple's commercial if they sent trucks full of AirTags for the Ukrainian military. I mean, they're definitely not going to do it.
No.
But
it'd be too easy to, like, for the Russians to use it on the Ukrainian people.
No, what if they had special software?
Oh.
No, this is not happening, so we don't even need to talk about it.